How to kick someone off your Netflix account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can go ahead and actually kick someone off your Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe over time you happen to share your Netflix password over to so many people, and then as a result you're not being able to watch on Netflix properly because it is messing with your viewing history and so on. And now you figured out that maybe you might want to kick those people off of your Netflix account. Well, do not worry, because it's relatively very simple to do so. And to do this process, you can of course do it from the app, or you can go to netflix.com and sign into your account as I'm doing it right now. Once you're here, what you want to do is you want to make sure to click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to simply navigate to account. Once you go to the option known as account, the one of the easiest ways to kick anybody out of your Netflix account is by simply changing your password. So one thing you can do is just click the change password option. Make sure to enter the current password and enter the new password to change it, and automatically anyone who's logged into your Netflix account will be logged out as well. Otherwise you can do it manually, because if you look under security and privacy tab over here, you can see this option known as sign out of all devices, and what this basically does is that it's going to remove any person who is logged into your Netflix account at the same time altogether. So make sure to click on sign out of all devices. It's going to ask you for a confirmation, including you on this device is also going to get logged out. So click the sign out, and the next time anybody who's logged in will have to enter the email and password to manually log into this account. This way you'll be able to kick someone off of your Netflix account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.